Hi guys, so I bought a Mars Elego 4 to do 3D printing on my gold nose piercings. I'm gonna do my own designs and I made a mistake. I don't know how to use it. I bought the resin and I bought the alcohol. I was supposed to pour resin with to print my own design, and I tried so many times that I got frustrated. It took me 3 hours to print something that it was flat, so it was a mistake. So I decided to storage my 3D printer for now, and I'm gonna buy another one that I heard is for kids, but it's gonna be worth it for me. It costs around $350, but I think it's gonna be worth it for me. So it's called Toy 3D Printer, and I'm gonna buy it within today and tomorrow.